So guys, analysis lang for next week. Yan, USD JPY. And yun nga, as per checking dito sa chart nila, super ano na to, overbought na yan. Kung makikita nyo, sobrang overbought na yan, stretch na yan. And kung mag-zoom out tayo, yan, so medyo nalagpasan nyo na rin yung previous high, which is it's an indicator na yun nga, sobrang ano na siya, overbought na siya. And yan, kung mapansin nyo, pataas siya. Pero dito, yan, yung RSI nya, mataas siya dito, pababa. It's bearish divergent. So, I would say na pwede siyang bumaba dito sa trendline. And mahaba-haba yan, no? From 160 to 157,970. Yan, medyo mahaba-haba yung lalakbay niyan. And this could manifest next week, July 1, Monday hanggang Friday. So, inversely correlated with gold. Yan, so yung gold